In Akashvani Kolkata is a very popular program to the Santhal people since its inception on 15th August 1975.
Kalipat ji.
Respected Speaker Sir, I on behalf of the Santhal people of West Bengal to state that a Santali program is presently broadcasting from All India Radio, Kolkata at 6:05 p.m. daily from Gitanjali Broadcasting slot of Bengal channel for 30 minutes of duration. The Santali program in Akashvani Kolkata is a very popular program to the Santhal people since its inception on 15th August 1975. The duration of broadcasting of the Santali program is much lesser in comparison to the popularity of the program. Another thing to be noted here is that there is no program officer appointed as well as no permanent staff in the Santali section of Akashvani Kolkata. The Santali section is run by a few contractual staff only. The Santal people living across the West Bengal have been demanding for a dedicated Santali broadcasting channel in All India Radio, Kolkata since long. I found that the demand of the Santali people is very legitimate, and I assured that the Santal people have all aspects of contents to run a dedicated broadcasting channel in All India Radio, Kolkata for Santali. Therefore, in view of the demands of a large number of radio listeners, I would request the concerned minister through you to start a dedicated channel for broadcasting of Santali program in All India Radio, Kolkata, and appoint Santali language non-program officer as well as permanent staff for smooth running
Honorable
of
Member.
the
Thank you.
program. Thank you.
Thank you.